Hello friends, this is Megha and in today's video, we're gonna make a creamy white sauce pasta in crazy for health style. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video with me. Without any further delay, let's get started. We'll start by boiling the pasta. So here I have durum wheat pasta. Put it in boiling water. Next add some salt and about half teaspoon of oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. This pasta takes around 15 minutes to cook. You can replace it with any pasta. After 15 to 17 minutes, the pasta is ready. It is not too hard and not too soggy. Take the boiled pasta out. This is the perfect crunch we want on the pasta. Next, take a pan and add just a little oil. Use any oil you want or butter. Add garlic cloves. This is chopped garlic cloves. And saute for a while. Next, I'm adding sliced onions. Saute the onions for around 30 seconds. We don't want the onions to brown. Saute till they are sweat. Now add broccoli. You may use raw or steamed broccoli, and now add bell peppers sliced. Mix all the vegetables nicely. You can use more vegetables like carrots, corn, etc. Next add salt. Mix well and cook the vegetables. Do not overcook. We want them crunchy. After 2 to 3 minutes, take them out in a plate. And now we'll be making the white sauce. For that, take a dollop of butter. I have taken neutral Lite butter. And now add whole wheat flour, that is Atta. We are not using Maida for this recipe. And now roast the Atta well with the butter. Use a spatula or a whisk to roast the flour. Now we'll be adding milk in batches. Keep stirring nicely so that there are no lumps. The milk should be a little warm or in normal room temperature. It should not be cold, otherwise lumps will be formed. Add the milk one by one and stir the mixture well so that the perfect sauce consistency is obtained. Next add some salt, black pepper powder, and now I'm adding mixed herbs. I have mixed herbs. If you do not have this, just go ahead and add oregano, chili flakes, parsley, thyme, basil, etc. Once the sauce is ready, add in the vegetables. Mix well and now add in the pasta. Mix all of them together nicely. Keep the flame to medium heat. The pasta is not creamy enough, so I'm gonna add some more milk into it. We want the pasta to be really creamy and rich without adding any cheese. Mix well, and now we are going to cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the pasta absorbs the sauces nicely. Reduce the milk till it becomes in the proper texture. Add some more herbs. And now our delicious creamy pasta in white sauce is ready to serve. Turn off the flame and now present the pasta and enjoy. Look how creamy and delicious they look.